So we've been off for a while, around 6 months. We haven't had any videos up on the channel. We've been sorting out some personal issues.
Yeet! Hello! How have you been? I've been good, thanks. Right, so what have we been up to? Nothing. We've been here the whole time, sorting a couple bits out here and there. But yeah, we've effectively not done anything to the cars and that, but we've got big plans. Big plans.
So the year is 2019. We are going to be doing more videos. We're going to try and put some more decent content out the best we can, because you know our content is the best on YouTube, if you haven't noticed.
Oh yeah. But yeah, not gonna. I don't think we'll be able to make a weekly schedule, but
we're going to try.
We will try, and we'll upload as often as we can.
The next few videos we've got in line is basically we're going to do a video on Ollie's car saying what we've done whilst we've been away, what he's done. We're going to do a video on my car saying what we've done, or what I've done and what we've done to the cars basically. So keep your eyes peeled on the channel for the next couple of weeks.
2019, big year. I want to get the EP3 mapped with some stuff, don't really know, and yeah.
I want more power as well. I'm bored of the power it makes currently.
Subarus are so boring. If
you
you want proper fun, get an EP3.
If you want reliability and stability,
get an EP3.
get a Subaru.
For reliability?
Stability.
Oh, stability, yeah. EP3s are quite fun.
Funner, but Subarus are, you get more of a safety feeling, I think, because the four-wheel drive is just amazing.